how can you translate text on the iPad? So let me talk about it. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and quick tips like this one. So it all comes down to where the text is on your iPad. If it's just a text which you have in a note or you just copied it somewhere, in that case, it's crucial to have a translate app on the iPad. The two most common options are the Apple Translate, which should come in by default on the iPad, but I also like the Google Translate. And the point is, of course, very simple. You just paste and enter the text, choose the original language and the one you want to translate it to, and it's just going to get the job done. But if you also have like a text which is somewhere else, not physically on the iPad, but for example, it's a sign on a street or whatever, then you can also use the camera feature, which both of these translate apps have available. You can get inside any of them, click on the camera, and point it at a text, and it will try to translate it in real time. So it gets the job done using each app. It just comes down to the preference, so you can pick whichever one you want, right? So that is how it works. Also, if you are browsing the websites in a different language, then it doesn't matter if you're using the Safari or even Google Chrome web browser, because in both options you always have the ability to click on the option next to the URL and click on a translate, right? So it might pick a different language or you can change it in here. It depends on your iPad, but it should be easy to find like that. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to translate the text that you needed. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later. So stay tuned and I'll talk to you soon.